What's up, my love kids? This is Lug the Artist. I'm a self-taught artist, no reference materials to come up with my drawings. So I wanted to talk to you about Pet Monsters Thanksgiving. We had the Sugar High Dracula, we had vegan Frankenstein, we had the witch concocting the potato salad, we had Mummy Girl with a big old back of her head. So it's funny, on Thanksgiving, I actually set a deadline for myself to produce that drawing and make sure I got it to you for Thanksgiving. Now, I put in a lot of hours working on the drawing because it was a self inflicted deadline that I came up with. For some reason, I didn't want to push it back any longer. I want to make sure that I got it out to all my fans and the customers. Make sure that I can meet a deadline. So I stayed up to about 3 a.m. in the morning, probably longer than that, working on it. So this is me working on that drawing within those hours. Of course, sped up. It's funny how when you put deadlines on yourself, it's always a challenge to try to meet your expectations. So I gave it a shot, definitely. And speaking of which, it's the first time that I've drawn in my non-photo blue, really, and test myself, see if I can come up with the concept and bring it to reality. So, I did give y'all the short version of it at like 10:30 on Thanksgiving evening to make sure you guys had it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you saw it. And this is how I created all of that information. No, this is how I created the monsters Thanksgiving. haven't done it in a while, but I wanted to mention to my luck is the good part of my life nowadays. And that's actually all of you around the world who have been tuning in, checking out me drawing, hopefully being entertained by my silliness. So I see you in the UK, Germany, Canada, the Philippines, name dropping all kind of countries. And never in a million years did I think that people around the world would be able to see my artwork like this. So I just want to shout out. Give thanks to y'all. Continue to like, subscribe, watch the videos. Helps brother out. And I look forward to continuing to grow with y'all, not only artistically, entertainment wise as well. So I had a lot of fun working on this because I was talking crazy while I was coming up with the characters, which is always a good time when we're clowning. Art's supposed to be fun. So we're definitely going to have some fun here on this channel. So just want to thank y'all, especially around the holiday season. And with this being around Thanksgiving, figured the best thanks I can give is just shout y'all out on the video. So continue to lock in my lug kids. Hopefully y'all practicing out there too and putting your artwork out there. Hopefully y'all been enjoying me work hard on the monsters Thanksgiving. You see me switching up with a lot of different tools and utensils. We'll get more into kind of the whole philosophy behind everything another day. But I wanted to mention to you this. I wanted to make kind of a laid back video, give y'all thanks for Thanksgiving and the holiday season with more to come. But I want to mention to y'all at the end of the day. I used to do this segment on the first couple of videos, decided to bring it back this time around. So for this one, at the end of the day, want to mention it's about action and not words. So many people in your life, especially during the holiday season, seeing your family, your friends, so many people have so many words for you. But what we all need to do is kind of focus in on people's actions. Someone's actions is always going to tell you the truth more so than words. So a big part of that is if you say you're gonna do something. You know what I mean? So for me personally, just a simple example. I said I was gonna do this picture for Thanksgiving for y'all, and I put those words into actions. And even though my ass was dragging on Thanksgiving, I still accomplished what I set out to do. So all the people that you have in your life, make sure that they're showing up and showing through their actions what they're about and that they're for you. And it's not in the words. So I always like to leave y'all with a little something. So there you go, my love heads. So like, subscribe, all that other kind of good stuff. I'll see you next time. Love y'all.